A new tradition should be something to look forward to year after year.
Doesn't sound like I'm saying nude tradition, does it?
I'm Hannah Chamberlain of Spirited LA, and today we're going to be talking about some boozy new holiday cocktail traditions. 1. Make an annual holiday punch. Punch has always been a communal drink that brought people together. This festive punch pairs famous grouse with cranberry, cinnamon, cardamom, ginger, and fresh lemon. And I love that its vibrant flavors are approachable for Scotch lovers and the whiskey-wary alike. 2. A DIY old-fashioned station at a cookie decorating party. Cookie decorating is a holiday mainstay. To set up your station, provide a selection of spirits and ingredients inspired by the cookies you'll be decorating. For example, you can make a vanilla bean syrup to match sugar cookies, ginger chai syrup for gingerbread cookies, and mint syrup to complement chocolate cookies. And a third holiday cocktail tradition, giftable cocktails. Rather than drop off cookies to friends and neighbors, you can drop off nicely decorated pre-batched cocktails. I like to portion out punch into jars, decorate them with ribbon, and then include a note detailing the ingredients, how to serve the cocktails, and when the drinks are best by. And enjoy.